Hey traders, TG Watkins here. Let's see, it's the morning of July 24th. Hope everybody's doing well out there. Remember, we do have the FOMC coming up this Wednesday. So the market's, taking a little bit of a break. We'll dive into that in just a second. Just remember, if you guys are interested, over at Twitter, which, funny, I guess we start seeing the new logo. Looks a little bit new. I think they need to kind of fill that out a bit, but interesting to see things changing. But if you come over here, anybody who's on Twitter, come check this out. I make posts occasionally in through here and give a little heads up like, hey, the Dow's actually breaking out. So, what's not to like? Because we're seeing things like that. It's good news. But near term, it is interesting to see. We are getting really, really up to an area. If we look at breadth, that it's getting up there. So not entirely sure how this is going to manifest itself in the market. I do really think that these were bear market rallies, and so when they rolled over hard. I don't know if that's going to happen the same thing here. Maybe there's a rotation that could happen underneath the surface, but it is something to say that, boy, we are getting pretty up there. You can see it just doesn't like to stay up there for too long, and I've been watching this for a few days, so just kind of keep an eye on that. And with that, though, we look at the market and the Dow and all these names and the ETFs, the actual indices, they're all doing very well. They're doing great. And, we'll just have to see if being too great is a problem at some point. But yeah, everything is firing, everything's going along, and we'll just have to see what kind of pullbacks they're going to do. So just remember the ebbing and flowing of the market, and when things get too high, be careful about that. See something like net. It looked like it was going to be breaking out, but then pulled back. So, I've been watching something like this, trying to see if there's going to be an opportunity sometime later in net. You can also look at Fastly, same kind of deal. A lot of tech, basically had a kind of a fake move up and then pulled back. And now we just have to see, will these things actually stay in a range, maybe like this, like that. And if it kind of chops around until finally it starts to break out. So I don't think that's going to happen probably anytime soon, but I do think that it's something to kind of keep on your watch list and see if these things start making moves. For example, if you look at NAT, we got into this one right before the weekend and a nice pop up on this. So really, really great trade on that one. We're happy there. That was a nice reward. And then Weight Watchers. This is another one that we're in and having a great day with it today. It took me a couple times to get into it. Then finally we loaded up on another position here, let it flag, let it dip just a bit, and now we're up again. So even though the market is pretty elevated and likely to pull back relatively soon, there definitely are winners, and there's still going to be names that are moving. So the market environment is pretty good. Just to go ahead and find your individual stocks that are doing what you need them to do. And again, we'll see you over at Twitter and join the conversation. Thanks, guys, and we'll catch you later.
Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.